Hi, I'm Matt, and this is my review of the ATP program by Alphachain. I was trading my own capital, trading futures and creating automated strategies. I've been doing this for the past couple of years now. I think the program is great because whether you're an experienced trader or not, it's going to give you all the basic tools you need to create automated strategies. And it teaches you how to code properly and work on TradingView. So it's a great starting point. And from there, you can actually develop yourself as a trader and find your own path because every trader is going to be trading differently, even with automated strategies. So you get all the basic tools you need in the program, and then you can do whatever you want with that, and you can keep on learning. Absolutely. I think the mentoring sessions are the best part of the program because whether you have a question about a lesson or a question about your type of trading or a strategy, or you're not sure about the risk, something like this, you can ask a question to Adam or Gavin, and they always have great answers. And it's, in my opinion, the best part of the program because it's going to help you become a better trader. And the lessons give you all the basic tools you need to become a trader. But then the mentoring sessions help you figure out what kind of trader you want to be, what kind of time frame you want to trade on, what kind of pairs you want to trade, type of markets, all that. So the topic of my final assignment was a strategy that I created in TradingView, and it is now a strategy that I'm trading in a live environment on different Forex pairs. So I think it's important to create a strategy for your final assignment because it's going to help you create a good process from the get-go on your first strategy. And then you can use this process to create strategies in the future because during your assignment, you have to figure out in what kind of market you want this strategy to perform, why you use certain conditions and all that. So your final project can definitely be used as templates to create other strategies in the future and use the same part while you're creating this strategy, what kind of market and all that. So I recommend that you create a strategy for your final assignment, and this way you can use these templates and use it again in the future. So I'm feeling pretty confident about moving to the funded trading account because my strategy has been reviewed during the final assignment, and any questions that I might have, I ask them during the mentoring sessions. So once you get to the end of the training, you build that confidence to actually put that strategy in a live environment. So my plans moving forward are to optimize my strategies and get better at trading every single day, and also to hit my targets while staying within the Alphachain guidelines risk limits.